Welcome back to Mama Joans house where it's hot. When me say my house hot. It hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. A fire for your head top. So we should nobody want to take the fire upon the head top. You one of them want to take it. So you want to take it, you take it because Sayan is just fine.
Sayan good.
Yeah, because she don't look like she want no fire upon her head top.
No, I'm just fine.
Just fine. Okay. So guys, today I am going to this video we're gonna do for you guys today is we're gonna decorate some miniature gingerbread house. It's a challenge, guys, between me, Papa Ari, and short girl Sayan.
We win that challenge already because them two me a builder.
Yeah, Bob the builder?
Then me a carpenter, man. So
Okay,
the
so
house we a make.
This is it right here.
Okay.
House we a make.
There's 5 different ones. So you can choose. These are the I don't know if it's focusing, but these are the 5 different ones.
Yes.
And they're on here as well, so we can choose which one we want. And that's it.
So guys,
Are we gonna do? Should we do like a time?
yes, we should do a time.
Why are you doing a time?
You know, say you're Bob the builder. So why you don't want a time?
I wouldn't me worry about you know.
Yeah.
Me not need no time.
Okay, well, we are going to put a time because we have Mr. Bob the builder here.
When me
And
done,
you see, due to it, we have Mr. Bob
So
the
how
builder
much time
here.
should we do?
I
We have to
don't
build
need
it
no
and then we have to
time.
decorate it.
Me
So how
want,
much
Yes.
time should we do?
me want the whole
Like-
day.
What, 15 minutes?
Whole day. Which 15 minutes?
You want to what? After you not build a house, you build a house? You
Then
build a big house?
our gingerbread. One whole village this. Not even house.
I want one village, but you're going to make one at the village.
Then that me talk about you know much house that
Okay,
in the
so
village.
ask him how much time you need.
How much time do you need?
As long as me need. Me don't know that it
Well, me,
Okay.
I'm going to work with 20 minutes. That's my
Okay,
time.
20 minutes. So that's enough time. That's more than enough time.
Okay.
Bob the builder saying,
No,
That 20 minutes is more than enough time.
Okay.
I think 15 is good. 20 minutes is for the people that need a lot.
Like Bob the builder.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
you
a little bit
know
extra
them
more
a
time.
man them thing and nail what
Hey,
you put this thing together.
well, you're Bob the builder. You have to figure it out
Me
as an architect.
need me a man. That's all me need me things.
Anyway, let's get with it.
Okay, so I'm gonna put. I guess once I'm gonna take everything off
First,
and then I'm
yes.
gonna put the timer
Yes.
on.
So when we done build them thing we can eat the candy too. You know when we not put no candy for my one.
Okay, so should we do rock paper? We're gonna do rock paper scissors. Who gets to choose?
Bread and roll
the-
first.
yeah.
Okay.
I don't know not about rap scissors and nothing like that.
Really?
Rock paper scissors.
I never play that for my ball.
Show them how they do. You have to learn. Show them how they do.
No, I don't have to learn.
Okay, so then you go last.
Eh?
Okay. so you take what left over.
Okay, yeah, you guys do rock, paper, scissors, and then whatever left,
Okay.
I will build because the one of them are the same.
Yeah, Bob the builder.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Rock paper scissors shoot. Okay, so I get to choose.
Yeah, so I don't know. You know that rap me because I don't know what win from what.
I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay. So now it's about separating them and not breaking
You
it.
going with that one?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is mine.
Okay.
I'm gonna put on the timer. Yeah, or should I put the timer on?
Not yet. Then we're ready to put the timer on when we start to decorate it. When we start to put it together.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna just set the timer for 20 minutes.
Cut that
Yeah.
first. Cut that.
Okay, so 3, 2, 1.
Well, so far Me I try to get mine together.
Yeah, try to figure out how to put this.
So this is what
Because I know
I know you not figure out how to put that yet.
you know figure out the foot from the head.
Oh, but you're Mr. Bob the Builder and all of this.
I mean, what's the name is Bob the figure out that. You have to figure it out first, then maybe do it.
Why is this not come out?
It's cut too small. Because it's cut too small. You can use mine. Or you can cut it.
Cut this a little bit bigger.
Alright guys, so mine is going pretty good so far. I already have my foundation looking like it's done.
Pass the glue there. Okay.
Alright, so I have my foundation done already. I'm putting on my roof.
My God, she have moved so fast.
I don't think I'm gonna need the 20 minutes. But I do.
You know what? I think me and Papa are gonna need that 20 minutes because
Pass it something though.
yeah. Him say my Bob the Builder.
Yeah,
This is the roof.
But the first thing I waste them I look for a man in the man was ice. So you can't say anything, you know. Because me I look, you know, over there I look me I say, come me I try to talk me thing, you know, but me I say, but with it nail them there. We are going to hold it together. When me look, now ice name them give me. Nail. Ice, no, we work when I do the ice. You tell me.
Concrete. It's like the concrete.
Yeah, when me they know that, they look for a man nail. Wow. Can't give me for that.
I look for hammer nail. Pass me the ice nail there, baby. Cause this is the hammer and the nail.
I never knows that. Watch out. Mistake.
Your thing is falling apart?
No, I'm run.
Bob the Builder, hey! Bob the Builder say my Bob the Builder, but Bob the Builder can't build shite. That's all we can say.
That's crazy. Mine is done.
Oh my Lord.
Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to my decorations. Gotta make sure this is even.
Yeah, eat what I owe me a bill. Ice nice. Ice sweet.
Oh my gosh.
Can't believe the ice is sweet so. Ice is sweet, ice is nice. Ice is nice, ice is sweet.
Okay guys, so
But the ice in them, you don't have the ice in, you can't keep the ice in, and you not talk about you in a race. You can't race up.
Oh, the roof are big, so.
that's just how it is. You gotta put the icing on there. Oh, because you did it wrong.
I mean, did it wrong. This is the door.
Because you're supposed to have this. It's supposed to be turned this way.
Oh, okay. Guys, Mama Joan messed up already.
Every time.
I first build one. The second time I build this house, me and Sion did this already, but we did with the bigger house.
There's officially 15 minutes left.
15 minutes
So
left.
all those of you, just know that. I'm gonna start my decorations. Okay. So I'm gonna do. I'm going for a fun vibe.
Yeah. I was doing so good with the something and then we turned the something around. How could I messed up like that? And turn the something around. Whoa. See? Mama Joan don't know shite.
Better you say so. Better you say so.
You can't start decoration and go down the icing. I'm not get none to build my house yet.
That don't have nothing to do with me. You're using that one over there.
Mix it and then up.
Milo, yeah, Milo said that's not right. But I don't know if you do me like that.
Oh, Milo.
Don't tell the pussy say that not right. You see all them people that stay? Them just leave me.
Can you guys believe that? You can believe it?
But up to them, I said the same thing to your grandson. Can you believe
Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's
I put
fine.
down my icing for 1 second and you already have it in your hand?
Three of us we share
because
inside,
we
it's not
share.
yours.
Yeah,
We share it. We can't be selfish, sir.
It's just a mercy.
Cause that has the thing on it. Cause I'm decorating it, so it has this thing.
Papa, I Bob the Builder do way better than me right as you speak.
Yeah, because all you do is chat on a watch Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder don't know what's happening, but he trying to do a thing, but it not work.
Still not? It's still not working?
No, sir.
Yeah, I was like, Kevin.
I say roof them drop it, I tell you. Why you really need that? We really need a level.
Alright guys, so right now I'm just working on the detailing. It's going pretty good for me. I don't know about them, but
And do our detailing. Well, I can put my roof on now so far. Just icing up my roof to put it on because me have to pass it on back later. Glue me up there, glue me up there. So now we have to go do.
But the glue them there, we can't. Nah, work for me, nah, work for me, star. When the trick thing there, okay.
The decoration.
Me would have it done, but me have to wait too long for science
For what?
for the glue.
Yeah, but you have a glue right in front
Yes,
of
so
you
me
there.
kind of
When
late
the
now
piping
because me
pipe
I wait so long. No, me late. And the whole time, she had do for her thing. And she had tell me no how for her thing is done. And that's what we do. Well, that's how it goes.
I think you guys got less than 10 minutes.
You have less than 10 minutes?
Yes, and you haven't. Okay, at least you started decorating. Me, I'm just doing my good thing right now. Where'd you put the top?
The top go.
This?
Oh, just drop it.
You were supposed to take it off unless you wanted it. It gives you this smaller nozzle here.
So you're not fall out.
Can't help you.
You know my fall off. No, sir. Not that, sir. They make Christmas decoration out here. Not for me, just make you want to eat the candy.
I haven't eaten a single candy since.
You know, you can't just put everything on the house. Eat and move along.
much minutes we have left?
6.
6 minutes?
Yeah. Been 20 minutes already.
20
Or
minutes
15
gone already?
minutes, 15 minutes. So good thing you added the extra 5. All I'm hearing is chewing. I'm chewing on my left and right side.
Ah! Where's the drink by your left and drink by your right?
Yes. Damn, they might like yours more than mine. Hold on, let's see if I can step it up in 30 seconds.
Why?
Cause yours is good. Oh my gosh!
Look on Granddad.
Oh my gosh!
Hey, do one time she did it, shut it up.
No, but she do her something good.
Okay, but it dropped down on it.
You know? But we just do a little quick something there. You don't know stop my work
14
from
seconds.
down.
Oh shit.
And the whole time she watch
Oh
it time.
shit.
I said she don't need no.
Oh, 7, 6, 5, 4,
3,
3. Oh,
2, 1.
Okay,
That's it. Okay. So
Okay.
there you go. So there it is,
2.
guys.
Wow. Okay, so we're gonna have to give them some close-ups, but oh my gosh, you guys actually did better than I thought you were gonna do.
Yeah? Granddad one looks sweet.
All right.
Wow.
Okay, so I'm gonna.
Let's find a level. We find a level, you know. And a square. And I sort out my own. You know, look too bad.
Us, your creation.
So this is my candy cane house. Don't have any candy cane on it, but that's what I name it. So the candy cane on top there. So this is my candy cane house.
Wow. So
Everything is intact and everything is together. So that's mine. Okay.
Okay. And then, is this the front of your house on this side?
Front of my house is like here.
See, Papa, I front time house there.
Okay, so then what is this called? Present it.
Oh, this is sweet candy house where all the kids them can go in and eat until it's finished. So this is my sweet candy house.
Okay, so this is the.
So I have my sprinkles and me juju and my Smarties. Oh my God, this house is so pretty.
And then this is the other side of the house. Okay. Alright, so then someone has to record me.
Okay.
I don't know why he's laughing.
No, me laugh.
Okay, present your
Can you
house.
see me?
Yes, dear.
Alright, so this is called Sprinkled Town. It's my house. I have a purple line going down the top. We have like a lot of decorations, a lot of sprinkles is the theme of the house. You can go ahead and like give a 360, come around.
Can't come right round now because.
So this is.
No, you can come right around. Come right around.
This is the back.
Come right around. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so that's Sprinkle. What's your house name?
Sprinkle Town.
Sprinkle Town.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's
The
Sprinkle
3
Town.
houses.
So this
Go
is
ahead
the
and
tree house.
Do your voting. down
Candy
below.
cane. So do you always get voting on candy cane? There we go. We have Sprinkle Town. And we have Sprinkle Town here, and we have
Sugar sweet.
sweet sugar house there. Okay.
So yeah, you guys can vote,
So
vote down below.
So guys, you guys can vote down below which house you guys think is the better house. Whether Candy Lane house. Where you drip name?
You keep changing your name.
It's Candy Cane. Candy Cane. At the same
Just
Candy
like
Cane.
Candy Drip.
Candy Cane. Mister, what's your drip?
Okay, mine is Sprinkle Town.
Sprinkle
Okay.
Town, that not change.
Yo.
I've changed my own about 3 times.
I didn't change. That is
remember the
definitely
first time.
Candy
You
Cane.
said yours is candy
Sugar sweet.
Sugar
Candy
sweet.
sweet. All kind of stuff. All kind of stuff.
So So guys,
same house.
So guys, gonna go and comment down below which one of the house is the best house
So
and which one of the winner
Oh, you
house.
know who wins.
So then we tell we in the comment down below, so they will let we know who wins. So
After
that's how you
everything.
guys, yes. So guys,
Guys,
that's,
make sure vote for me, you know. Because nobody's never asked to vote for them.
Make sure you vote for me.
That's what now. Me ask them to vote for me, no?
Make sure
Because
you
all of us
vote for
know.
me because we're all about Christmas. You see them two? Do you see how they're wearing the same thing? I'm the different one.
boy,
I'm the unique
guys,
one.
you see how them stay though. I am not. I just want you guys to judge the thing properly.
Oh, she's trying to pull the card.
So
on
whosoever you think is the best, that's what I'm working with. I am not
She's
gonna
trying to pull
ask
an
you,
innocent card on
I'm
you
not
guys.
gonna ask you guys to vote for me unless you think mine's make properly. Papa Ari said Miss Bob the Builder and Miss Cyan, she was on a roll. I take my time and do my thing. So just let us know which one out of the three houses, whether Candy Lane, the drip where Pop Brock Dog and the middle, or Sweet Candy Cane, Sweet Sugar,
Guys, all I have to say, me gonna make the video run little longer. Give this one have to drop down. That one there, me don't know. That me don't know. Look at me find me square. I'm a level. Look how many house. Watch out. We can move all my house. Me not move it still, but we can move man. If you ever move this, is it. So guys, vote for me please. Make the thing look good. Vote for me. Cause if you don't vote for that, or vote for this, I'm gonna see no.
So anyway guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit my notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. And I know Papa Ari begging enough for some winners. You know what I'm give him the winners because everything him do him lose.
What's
So,
up?
so everything him do him lose. So if you want to give him the winners, you can give him the winners. But we're not gonna lie though, him house really look really sturdy and strong. He really look sturdy. Really do a good proper job. I don't do not with the front.
Yours is starting to cave in there.
No,
on the
mine's
side.
I'll just say I keep telling but by the shine so that's why I don't. That one you got.
He really do some Bob the Builder things
Oh,
still,
yeah,
because
man,
everything
I'm
went
living on
to
the
set.
square, man.
Everything is solid. Sorry, I'm gonna fall apart. My one side is sinking, but whichever way, but them look good still. But guys, film front, you don't know in front or the back different, because you know when if you turn around so you see in front. Because you see Cyan front and you see mine.
No.
See in
Them
front.
did show. Remember saying this if you turn on the front so you could have video.
So guys, you can't see the front. So you know, you can't see my front or pretty. So I'm not pretty but it falling apart. So anyway guys, I will see you guys in the next video. So peace out.
My roof not drop over the front, honey. My roof drop to the side, so I show the people in the front.